Now this illustration shows conduit bodies in accordance with 314.16c. The question is, what size cross-sectional area of a LB conduit body that is connected to a 1-inch EMT? What is the cross-sectional area? So step one, the 1-inch EMT, if we went to table 4, chapter 9, in the NEC, a 1-inch EMT has a square inch area of 0.864. So the 2 multiplier here for the LB, 2 times 0.864 is equal to 1.728. So a LB conduit body has to have a cross-sectional area of 1.728 square inch, and that's what this figure 12-18B is showing, how to determine the square inch area of an LB.